Okay, we're here on the Beneteau 45. Just completed the install. The breaker panel is here. Display is there. To turn on the unit, you just have to turn on the main breaker. Illuminates green. You've got power, AC1, AC2. Accessory is the pump breaker. Here goes the display. Just tap the button to change the mode, the snowflake. That's the fan speed, up and down temperature. Pretty simple. Here goes the unit under the bench. There we have the MSI wedge, put out lots of cold air. And the 4-inch round got installed there. And that's producing lots of cold air for the V-berth. Excuse me for going a little fast with the video. The F unit is a 4-inch round there. Another 4-inch round there. The Marinaire display, the cold air return. This is the second unit, supplying the 2 vents for the MSIT. Tried to save as much storage as we can. There's still a lot of storage in here. You could build a box around that or just leave it as is, because when you shut this lid, this cabinet's completely sealed off to the outside environment. And that's your separate 30-amp horsepower for the AC unit.